Okay, I'm going to try part 2 here, recording here of the ball. So basically I'm going to color the ball and I'm going to have 2 panels going here. Layouts 2 panes stacked, kind of like a review. And the panel down here is going to be panel and then go to graph editor. Okay, I'm going blind here. All right, there it is. Okay, there, select the ball and then I see it there. Okay, so I'm going to just go assign new material for the ball. And this comes out. It'll go to Lambert. Okay, this is the default, so I'm going to name it B red. Okay, like that. And then what you do is you click in here. You can do that, red. Okay. Or sometimes what you could do is come over here and change it to checkered, which is kind of nice, right? Okay, so there I made it checkered. Okay, that's good enough. All right, we'll leave it. So the ground floor here, I'm going to do something differently. I'm going to right click here. I'm going to go to vertex and press W and just take it beyond the frame. Okay, so like that. I'll grab the bottom 2 verts and I'll just kind of crank this. Let me do that again. Bottom 4 actually. What am I saying? Way down here. Okay, right click back to object mode. All right. So I'll put the grid on right here. Okay. And I'd like to lock this eventually, but we're not quite there yet. So first thing first, guys, don't do the animation. Don't record the animation like this. When you have a big frame like that, try to middle scroll in here until you have some kind of a decent. Oops, I'm using Blender hotkeys here. Hold on. So you see, you have the ball at the peak point, which is where? What's the height? 7? Okay, so I'm going to say 8 for now. Just kind of make whole numbers, and I'll change this one to 8 as well. Okay, so we've all done our first part. Now we want to have more bounces. But this time I said 5 or 6 bounces, right? And what I would recommend for you to do is possibly watch one of these videos that I have. I think, what is it? Nope. Here. One of these videos, any one of these, okay? The beach ball would be kind of tough because doesn't have as many bounces, but it's up to you. What you want to do is just basically pick a spot. I'm going to say I'm over here, right? I'm going to say I'm going to start somewhere there. Then I'm going to press period key and I'm going to go 1, 2, like something. Hang on, let me scroll back. Is that where it is? Okay, so if I go 1, this on, yeah, what's going on here? Okay, there. Let me try that again. Okay, so let's say I'm letting go right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so 13. I'm down. So for now, do the same number up, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so 13 down, 12 up. But we're going to keep them all even. So basically what you do is you press period and comma each time you write it down on a piece of paper, which we have here. I'll move this over. Okay, really? I give up today, really. I'm tabbing out. Okay, look at this. It's like this is not working. Yeah. Okay, let's try it over here. So imagine this is your paper. I'll see. Need a new computer. So you just write down. If it's 12 up, it'll be 12 down, 9, and so forth. So I'm just gonna go 7, 6, 5, 5, 4, something like that. Okay, so watch how I'm going to do that right now. So these are basically, you count the numbers, the number of frames up, number of frames down. For now, we're not making them super accurate. We're just kind of learning how to add keys and keeping those nice arcs. And the most important thing is here, I'm going to draw with my mouse here for a second, is this curve that goes down. Okay, I'm drawing with my mouse, so like that. So you want each of those apex points declining each time. Okay, gradually into that nice curve. Okay, that's our goal. All right, let's get these out of here. All right, so now I'm gonna increase my time to 100 for now. Oops. There. Okay, and then what I'll do is I'll stretch out my elastic band, something like this here. Okay, this starts at 0. I used to be beginning and end. I don't know what happened with this new version. Okay, there. Okay. Okay, so I know, so this one was 12. I'm just going to go 10 frames of 34 over here. I'm going to press S. 44. S. Oh, and nothing is happening. Am I not in the right app? What's going on? S. Oh, there you go. 34. S, that worked. Yeah, keep your mouse over here. So 10 up, 10 down. I'll go with maybe 8 from here. 52. S, and go to 60. So, okay, before we get too far. So 24 is where? Watch. So now you're going to be pressing comma period, okay? So comma goes backwards, period goes forward. One hand on the keyboard, down 12 frames, up 12 frames. And then at 34, we want this to be right here on the ground, which technically you guys know the number is 1, right? Doesn't matter. We're close enough. Okay, so if I was here at the height of 8, okay, so I may go to 6 here, just change it to 6 for fun, okay, and there we go, boom, boom, boom. So I'm just gonna go over here and hit F to frame, okay, I'm gonna press F, okay, this is what I have. Okay, so notice like this is going up and the next one should be down, right? So right here, without even doing it, you can just select this and just type in 1. Done, okay. And what was this, 8 frames? I'm gonna go 6, I'm gonna go to 66, press S. Oh, wait a minute, so this was, okay, wait. This is 8. Oh yeah, so I haven't done the height yet. Okay, that's what I gotta do here. So notice here now, look, okay? This cannot be the same height. First bounce is here, sorry, second bounce is here. I'm doing too many things at one time. Okay, so let's just go to 7, okay? This one's gonna be 6, okay? This one will be 5, okay, just for fun. Okay, so that gradual, okay, even though it's not accurate, doesn't matter. You're just learning multiple keys and so forth. Okay, so 44 here, 8, and then we go up. We should be maybe 6 on this one. So I'm gonna left click with shift, middle scroll over, 2 frames. So 6 frames, 64, process. And move your mouse over here, process. Anything? Come on. Even my keyboard has some weird lag. Okay. So this one here needs to be 1 again, right? 1, like that. So here, if I hold middle scroll, nothing happens. Middle scroll with Alt down, I'm panning in here. Okay, guys, see what I'm doing? Okay, so I can come back here and say, you know what, I'm gonna drop this to even 4. Like that. Okay, so this was 6 frames. I'm gonna do another maybe 5 frames. So go to 69, press S, S. Trying to get a new keyboard, folks. Here we go, 5 frames. Extend this, and I'll go another 5 frames will be here, boom. Okay, and then what I'll do at this middle one, it's at 4, and this one will be at 3. Okay, so look, you're here, and then you're gonna go back up. You wanna open that up? Thank you. 3, right there, okay? So, and then I'll do a few more. Okay, so you guys see, I'm recording, okay? Just kind of close that door, please. Okay, thank you. All right, I'll do one, well, how many bounces I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'll do one more. So 74, this was 5 frames, I'll go to 4 or something like that. Okay, I may just do 5 again, watch. I'm gonna do something different. 79, S, of course not working, S. Oh yeah, 84S, okay? And this one is the next peak point, which is the apex. So I'll just go something like that, okay? Okay, so let's just play without doing anything. Okay, do you see that? That's there. All right, something like that. All right, so we'll go to TY, translate Y. And you guys know if I press F to frame, here's what we have. So down here, all of these at the bottom, and unfortunately I'm going to use this method where it's breaking. I'll go here, middle scroll, like that. Now in the future you might get more comfortable by doing shift, like this, shift marquee, and then what you do is you grab this one, shift left click, and then you can bring them all up with middle scroll. Okay, I'm not going to do that right now like that. So what we did here, we broke the tangent, we marquee, and then middle scroll down and then up. So all this needs to be here, give it some hang. up like that, something like this, here, middle scroll, and then here, middle scroll again, down, and then push the mouse. Middle scroll down and drag, middle scroll, drag, something like that. Okay, here, drag, and then we'll do this one too. We want sharp ins, okay, sharp outs, something like that. Okay, so we have this gradual change, okay? So I may just take this first one and move it maybe to 9 to give it that, whoops, 9, there, okay? So this is what I have. So far, so good. Press play. Ding, ding. Okay, this looks a little high here, but that's okay. All right, so what we're gonna do right now, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna take a play blast of this, and I'm gonna actually save as and call it, none of my hotkeys are working. Command Shift S, okay. Ball, and 4, demo, 6 bounces, -01. Okay, and I'm gonna go right click over here. I'm gonna go to Play Blast, and I'm asking you guys to make sure you leave everything at 100% quality. No need to scale down the visual at all. And I'm leaving it from window, and I'm gonna say, hey, ball, no idea. Okay, we'll go 6 bounces, -01. Okay, apply. Please work. I've been having issues with QuickTime all day. It was working 5 minutes ago. I kid you not. Okay, let's try it. Play blast. Compatible, really? MOV 0.624. Okay. On your computer, this is gonna work, okay? So, there's your gradual decline, okay? I may just add, let me see, these are 5s. I'll do a 4 from here, 84 to 88. I'll go over here, press S, and then I'll go to 92, press S, and this one, I'm just gonna, here, I can move it, believe it or not. Watch. I can select like this, press F. I don't know what to do here with Maya. And I have to be in the W, I am, and middle scroll up. Middle scroll up. Not doing it. There, without, yeah, middle scroll up. There you go. So I just do that a little bit, something like that, maybe just a touch. Then here you can, it's broken, so I'll just go up here like this, here, and we'll break it again. Okay. And you guys make sure you save your playback. I'm gonna add something else on my playback. I'm gonna go to display, heads up display. This is kind of cool, frame rate. So you see the frame, no, sorry, not frame rate, what am I thinking? Display heads up, not frame rate. Dude, let's try that again. Display, heads up display, current frame, right? Yeah, I have current frame here, good. Heads up display, current frame. I did that on off camera. All right, good. So eventually what happens, you get feedback from me, I'll say, you know what, something at frame 79, you need to do A, B, C, or whatever, okay? So something like that. So we've got that, and then, you know, we'll render it out. I'm gonna stop the video here. Sorry about the QuickTime again not working.